kidding right now. I need 2 loud cars. I know y'all got them. There we go. Del Sol. There we go. Back it in. Let's go. Okay, it's Honda night, guys. We're gonna make it happen with Hondas right now. Yeah. Okay. I'm cool with it. All right, everyone, get your cars started. Let's get them warmed up. We're gonna make it happen with 5 cars tonight. I don't have time to wait for this shit. I don't care. Yo, that's that jet-powered bike, by the way. That is a jet-powered bike, people. That's going to make more horsepower than every car here. Yeah, jet-powered bike. What did I say? Bicycle, yeah. My God, you guys get on my nerves tonight. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do. All right, everyone warmed up. Everyone ready to go? Are you in your car or? Get in your car, come on, we're gonna rip this shit up. Let's go. Alright, everybody get the cars warmed up. You ready? Alright, let's hear the 135, let's go. I'm waiting. Yeah, baby. Okay, I like it. Okay, now let's hear the one-of-one super custom, not anywhere else in America. Let's hear this shit, dude. Alright, that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Alright, let's hear the SRT4. Okay, I like it.
Don't do it to him.
Okay, let's hear the white Honda. No, wait. Let's hear the Del Slow.
Oh shit, he fucked late.
Let's hear the white Honda now. Let's go. Okay. So there's a lot of Fireball tonight, folks. It's a pretty good turnout. Alright, wait. Here's what we're gonna do. I want to hear round of applause for these cars. And the 2 best we're gonna hear, okay? So let's hear it from the 135. Who likes that one? Woo! That's it? Yeah. Y'all are hard. Yo, what about this one-of-one, 1JZ, crazy ass shit over here? Who liked that? Okay, there we go. That's what I like to hear. What about the SRT4? You guys like that one? Not really? Are you guys right now I hear Del Slow and I hear Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Here's how we're gonna have this go. First of all, I'm gonna have all of you rev at the same time. We're gonna have we're gonna make some marshmallows over here with all the fireballs. So on the count of 3, I want you guys to go, but you need to pay attention when I tell you to stop, because this shit gets really fucking loud. So 3, 2, 1. Damn. Okay, so first of all,